Scene script. Number 1. United States. Largest economy in the world, known for its diverse industries, including technology, finance, and manufacturing. Number 2. China. Rapidly growing economy driven by manufacturing, exports, and investment. Number 3. Japan. Technologically advanced economy with a strong focus on manufacturing and innovation. Number 4. Germany. Europe's largest economy, known for its export-driven manufacturing sector, especially automobiles. Number 5. India. Fast-growing economy with a large and diverse workforce, driven by services, agriculture, and manufacturing. Number 6. United Kingdom. Major financial hub with a diverse economy including finance, services, and manufacturing. Number 7. France. Diverse economy with strengths in manufacturing, aerospace, and luxury goods. Number 8. Brazil. Largest economy in South America, known for agriculture, mining, and manufacturing. Number 9. Canada. Resource-rich economy with significant industries including natural resources, manufacturing, and technology. Number 10. South Korea. Highly industrialized economy with a focus on electronics, automobiles, and shipbuilding. Number 11. Russia. Rich in natural resources, Russia's economy is heavily reliant on energy exports, manufacturing, and agriculture. Number 12. Australia. Resource-rich economy with strengths in mining, agriculture, and services. Number 13. Spain. Major tourism destination with a diverse economy including tourism, manufacturing, and services. Number 14. Mexico. Emerging market with a diverse economy including manufacturing, agriculture, and services. Number 15. Indonesia. Large and growing economy with strengths in agriculture, manufacturing, and natural resources. Number 16. Netherlands. Highly developed economy with strengths in trade, finance, and manufacturing. Number 17. Saudi Arabia. Major oil exporter with a dominant energy sector, along with investments in petrochemicals and finance. Number 18. Turkey. Strategic location bridging Europe and Asia, with a diverse economy including manufacturing, tourism, and agriculture. Number 19. Switzerland. Known for its stability and financial services sector, with strengths in pharmaceuticals, machinery,